My friends are Indian and from Maharashtra, so they want to give me different Marathi sentences and I need to guess what they are saying.
प्रिय सखी, तुला भेटून मला खूप आनंद झाला.
When I met you, I became so happy.
That's good. And first day, प्रिय सखी.
Priya Sakhi. Sakhi means what?
Sakhi is मैत्रीण, friend.
Oh.
Priya is like beloved friend.
My dear
My
friend, when
yeah.
I saw you, I became happy.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
मला इराणी फिल्म्स आवडतात. मला इराणी चित्रपट आवडतात.
मला पण आवडते.
मैं हार गया.
मी शाळेत दप्तरात बर्फ घेऊन जायचो.
Snow is coming, something like that. Again, sir.
Snow is right.
My
मी शाळेत
शाळेत.
दप्तरात बर्फ घेऊन जायचो.
I'll take snow and I will take with me.
I used to take snow with me in my school bag.
Wow. Okay.
मला तुझा कंटेंट खूप आवडते.
This is so easy.
I'll give one difficult thing. मी कशी शब्दात सांगू भावना माझ्या तुला, तू तुझ्या समजून घे रे लाजणाऱ्या या पुला.
Jai Shri Ram.